Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Ford Escape and I will show you which fuses to check in case your power mirrors or heated mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Ford Escapes made from 2008 all the way up to 2012. Now, one of the fuses will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, and the other one will be in a small fuse box in the passenger cabin just next to the passenger's left leg. The heated mirrors fuse will be located in a fuse box under the front hood right here. Now you will have two black tabs, one on this side and one on the other side, so you can lift on any of those to remove the cover. Okay, just like this. And on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. And the fuse you want to check for the heated mirrors is fuse number 1, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located right here. And now I will show you the location for the power mirrors fuse. Power mirrors fuse will be located in a fuse box just next to the passenger left leg behind this cover. Now to remove this cover, just pull it towards yourself. And now you will get access to the actual fuse box cover, which is right here. Now you will have a clip on top to push and one on the bottom right here. So what you want to do, you want to press them at the same time and pull the cover towards yourself. Okay, just like this. Now on the cover itself you will have a small fuse diagram, and on the back side of the cover you will have a small white fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check for the power mirrors is fuse number 12, which is located down here, and it's a 7.5 amp fuse. So power mirrors fuse. Okay, so thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.